How chia seeds grow. Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, which is native to Mexico and Guatemala. The plant belongs to the mint family. Growth conditions. Climate chia grows well in warm climates and is typically cultivated in regions with moderate to high temperatures. Soil. It prefers well-drained soil with a neutral pH. Watering chia plants are relatively drought-tolerant but require regular watering, especially during the growing season. Harvesting. The plant produces small purple or blue flowers that eventually develop into seed pods. The seeds are harvested when the pods turn brown and dry. The seeds are then extracted and cleaned. Growing process 1. Planting chia is usually grown from seeds. It can be sown directly into the soil or started in nursery beds. 1. Growth. The plant typically grows to about 3 to 4 feet tall. It is relatively low maintenance and grows quickly, often reaching maturity in 3 to 4 months. 1. Harvesting. Once the seed pods are dry, they are collected and threshed to remove the seeds. The seeds are then cleaned and processed for consumption. Health benefits of chia seeds. Rich in nutrients. Chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and helps maintain a healthy weight. They contain alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that can benefit heart health. Chia seeds are also a good source of protein, which is important for muscle repair and overall body function. Additionally, they provide essential vitamins and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and B vitamins. Heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels and inflammation, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. The seed's high fiber and omega-3 content may help lower blood pressure. Digestive health. The soluble fiber in chia seeds helps to regulate bowel movements and maintain gut health by supporting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Weight management. The high fiber content and ability to absorb water help chia seeds expand in the stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Bone health. Chia seeds are a good plant-based source of calcium and magnesium, which are important for bone health. Blood sugar control is, well, super important for overall health. Chia seeds have a low glycemic index, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce spikes in glucose. Now let's talk about some disadvantages and considerations. Digestive issues can arise, especially due to the high fiber content in chia seeds. The high fiber content can cause, digestive issues like bloating or gas, especially if consumed in large quantities or if one is not used to a high fiber diet. It's important to drink plenty of water. Caloric density. Despite being nutritious, chia seeds are calorie dense. Overconsumption could contribute to weight gain if not accounted for within one's overall diet. Allergies. While rare, some people may be allergic to chia seeds. Symptoms might include itching, swelling, or digestive discomfort. Interaction with medications. Chia seeds' high omega-3 content may have a blood-thinning effect, which could interact with anticoagulant medications. Consult with a healthcare provider if you're on such medications. Phytic acid. Chia seeds contain phytic acid, which can inhibit the absorption of certain minerals. This is generally not a concern for most people if they consume a varied diet. Conclusion. Chia seeds are a highly nutritious food that offers various health benefits, including improved digestive health, heart health, and weight management. However, they should be consumed in moderation, and individuals with specific health concerns or dietary restrictions should consult with a healthcare provider to ensure they are a suitable addition to their diet.